Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the weight loss community, the 1 glass empty stomach drink challenge. If you're curious about a simple yet potentially effective way to supercharge your weight loss journey, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our health and wellness content. Let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about a single glass of liquid that many believe can help kickstart your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Let's explore the ingredients in the process. Ingredients. For this challenge, you'll only need a handful of readily available ingredients. 1 glass of lukewarm water. A teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. A teaspoon of raw, organic honey, optional. A sprinkle of ground cinnamon. Let's see how to whip up this concoction. Step 1. Begin by filling up a glass with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water is gentler on an empty stomach and can help stimulate your digestive system. Step 2. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This vinegar contains acetic acid, which some studies suggest might aid in weight loss by helping you feel full and reducing fat accumulation. Step 3. Optionally, you can add a teaspoon of raw, organic honey. Honey is a natural sweetener and could potentially enhance the flavor while providing a touch of energy. Step 4. Sprinkle a bit of ground cinnamon into the mix. Cinnamon has been linked to improved metabolism and blood sugar control. Give it a good stir, and your weight loss drink is ready. How it works. Consume this drink first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, for a designated period. 1 week could be a good starting point. Maintain a balanced diet throughout the day, rich in whole foods. Stay active. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine for the best results. Track any changes you notice in your energy levels, cravings, or weight. If you decide to embark on this challenge, let me know in the comments below how it goes for you. Have you tried similar drinks before? I'm eager to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.